escape rooms originally started as digital games. In '93, Myst, sort of kind of the most popular precursor to the escape game, launched. In 2007, that theme first took the jump from the digital world to the physical world. And so Scrap in Japan opened in 2007. It was the first documented time that people had taken the concept of an escape game, which had been popularized online, and said, let's do this in the real world. It wasn't until 2011, 2012 in Eastern Europe, in Budapest actually, that kind of took the world by storm. And so you saw it starting to spread all across Europe and then moving into North America by about 2012, 2013.
When I started first playing escape games back in 2013, when you go to a place, you never know what you were going to get. The escape rooms in Eastern Europe were really clever and crafty. A lot of tactile components, a lot of fun and clever ways to use different everyday items that you wouldn't expect to see in an escape room. Contrast that with in Asia, you know, we had to ask for a lot of help when we were playing games over there. A lot of really challenging, number-heavy puzzles. When we brought our concept to the US market, we wanted to design something specifically for the broad US customer so that everyone would really enjoy the experience, that it would be immersive, that they would have amazing content and see things that they had never seen before so that they can interact together in a very unique way.
We decided to basically make escape games that both a 10-year-old could have fun finding things in the games and being included, as well as someone who went to MIT could be challenged as well. I think there's going to be highly immersive games, probably longer games, probably whole week scenarios. I think there's going to be some crazy immersion that happens, but I don't think we're ever going to go fully away from the tactile, physical nature of escape games, because if they do, then you're just a video game.
We think that the industry is growing and that we've only scratched the surface. Our vision for this industry is that it goes to the forefront of the entertainment industry. We want to compete with other venues like movies, and we believe that we can do that because our experiences are so full and they're so delightful to our guests. We see that people's expectations are getting higher and higher. We can't wait to try to meet those. And so you never know what you might be doing in one of our rooms coming up in the next couple of years.